Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about law of sines and how we should use them. And so towards the top of the page we can clearly see a triangle over here. And we can see ABC, so the letters that are uppercase are all angles. And the lowercase letters are sides. So angle A will always be across from side A. And angle B would always be across from side B. And angle C would always be across from side C. So the formulas I'm highlighting now, I'll talk to you about them later. But for now, I want to go over these labels. Side, and angle, side. So when there's a side, angle, side, there's no law of sides. It wouldn't apply because there's no complete ratio. And an angle, side, law of sides can apply, but there can be three things that might come out of it. So no triangle can exist, one triangle might exist, and two triangles can exist. I'll explain to you about two triangles existing later, and in this video, of course. So let's go next page. So towards the top of the page, there's also more triangle labels. Angle, side, angle, and angle, side. So when you have these type of triangles, there's no two triangles at all. There can be either one triangle or no triangle exists. So for example 1, let's draw a triangle since there's no triangle provided for us. And then here, okay. So let's label our triangle first. So angle A, angle B, then angle C. So it's given, this is our given information right here. So it's given that angle A is 43 degrees. Angle B is 76 degrees. And side A, which is across from angle A, will be 19. So we know that this is the angle, side triangle, so no two triangles exist. But we can use triangle sum formula to check if one triangle can exist. So let's do 43 plus 76. So when you add those together, you get 9 and then 11. So yes, a triangle can exist, because the triangle only equals up to 180 degrees and 119 is less than 180. So we need to know what angle C is and what side B is and what side C is. So here we already have given information complete. So we have a complete ratio of angle A and side A because those are given information. So like sine 43 over 19, that equals to sine A over A. So these two are sides, and 43 and side A, letter A. These are both angles. So going back to the previous information, over here, these formulas, we see sine A over A, so these, the ones that are circled, are angles. Oops. Angles. It won't let me write, sorry. And then the lowercase letters on the side. So you always put angle over side to find either what the angle is or what is side A, and it should equal the given information. So we know sine 43 over 19 is the given information, but we need to know other parts like angle C, side C, and all that. So let's over here towards the side. So sine 43 over 19 equals sine of 76 over B. So 76 is angle B. So let's cross multiply each other. So B sine 43 equals to 19 sine 76. So if we want to leave B alone on the other side of the equal sign, so we know what side B is. So we divide sine 43 both sides here and sine 43. So B equals, let's calculate that. That's my calculator. So 19 sine 76 divided by sine 43. So B approximately, should do squiggly lines. So B approximately equals 27.032. So side B equals 27.032. So to find angle C, we already know you just subtract 180 minus 43 and 76, but we already added both of these. 43 plus 76 equals 119. So let's do 180 minus 119. So we get 180 is 119. So we get 61 degrees. So angle C equals 61 degrees. 61 degrees. So now let's again still use the given information. So to find side C. So sine here. So sine of 43 over 19 equals to sine 61 over C, and this is angle C. Now let's cross multiply. So C sine 43 equals 19 sine 61. Now let's divide sine 43 both sides so we can leave C on the other side of the equal sign. So C approximately equals to, let's use the calculator again, 19 sine 61 divided by sine 43. So C approximately equals to 24.366. So here 24.366. And in law of sines, we're also supposed to find the area of the triangle, but it's like a different type of formula. So this is one of the most common formulas, the one I'm highlighting right now. The other formulas you can still use, but I recommend the one I'm highlighting. So 1/2 times side AB times sine angle C. So the uppercase C is the angle and AB are the sides. So this is A and that's side B. So side A, side B, and angle C is 61 degrees. So 1/2 times 19 and 27.032 times sine 61. So let's use my calculator again. When you do law of sines, you have to use the calculator a lot because you would always do sines over this, over that. 0.032 sine 61. So I got the area equals approximately to, so I'll write area here, it equals 224.605. Let's not forget, no, I don't think, yeah, you don't need to add a label for this because in law of sines. Now let's do example 2. So we have the given information right here. And then let's draw a triangle. Here. And then here. So we know angle A. So let's do angle here, B, and C. So angle A is 117 degrees. Angle B is 93 degrees. And side B is 67. Now let's first add 117 and 93 degrees to see if a triangle exists. So 117, 93. So 7 plus 3 is 10. And if we do one here, 9 plus 2 is 11, 210 degrees. So 210 degrees exceeds the limit of a triangle because a triangle can only go up to 180 degrees. So law of sines doesn't exist. Here. So always make sure to do triangle sum before you solve for a triangle because in these type of cases I noticed kids would just solve for it and they would always get answers wrong because they don't do triangle sum first. And let's go to the next page. Now this is the part where two triangles can exist. So, oops, didn't happen. So let's make a triangle because usually sometimes they won't give you the triangles, but other times they will give you the triangles so they can help you. So let's start a triangle here. No, I don't want that. Here. Okay. So this is angle A, angle B, and angle C. So we know that angle A is 55 degrees because that's the given information over here. And side A is 9, which is the side that's across from angle A, and side C is 10. So let's solve for side C first. I mean, not for side C, sorry, angle C. So let's do sine 55 over 9 equals sine C over 10. So now I'll make that a little bit smaller so we can have more room. Oops. So sine 55 over 9. Now let's cross. Let's erase this. And equal to here. So let's cross multiply. So 10 sine 55 equals 9 sine C. Now let's divide. Let's divide 9 each side so we can leave side C alone. 9, so let's calculate this. 10 sine 55 divided by 9 equals approximately 0.910. And then, 1 equals sine C. Oops. Sine C. Now let's do the inverse. So sine inverse. So cross that out. Sine inverse. Sine. Second answer. And then. So we got that angle C approximately equals to 65.529. So C1 equals to 65.529. Now let's all write here for. Now we need to find B1, angle B. We already know that our angle is supposed to equal up to 180 degrees, and we know the first two angles in the triangle. So let's subtract 180 minus 55. Oh, and also, I forgot to mention, so this angle C over here, save it in the calculator. And if you don't know, I might make another video on how to save numbers on a calculator. But okay. So I saved this as A. So let's highlight that. And now 180 minus 55 minus A. Because you don't want to type the numbers again and all over again, and you want like an exact answer, so we have to save it. So 180 minus 55 minus A. So I got angle B. Oops. Angle B approximately equals to 59.471. So right, 59.471, and then here 59.471. And let's save this as letter B. So B. Now to find side B. So we do sine 55 over 9. So sine 55 over 9, and sine, and then letter B over B. Let's highlight this. And sine letter B is the angle of B. So if we cross multiply. So B sine 55 equals 9 sine B. Now let's divide 9 from both sides. Oh wait, hold on. Let's don't divide 9. My bad. You do sine 55. You divide up from both sides because we're trying to find what side B is. Sine 55. So let's do that in my calculator. 9 sine B divided by sine 55. So I got that sine B approximately equals to 9.464. Sine B equals 0.464. So here, 9.464. And now let's find the area. So we know that one of the formulas for an area, is 1/2 AB times sine C. But AB, so we can do half times 9. And side B, let's save side B for letter C. So that will equal letter C. And now we 1/2 and then times letter C. Here. And then sine C, and angle C equals to letter A. So you can put A here and highlight that. So let's calculate that in my calculator. And I got that area approximately equals to 38.762. So area 1, 38.762. Now, let's try to find the second triangle. So let's create a line closely here, here, and then here. Okay. Now, oops, didn't supposed to do that. So, the second triangle, let's do, let's make another triangle to make it easier. And we know the given information, so let's do angle A, C, and then that's angle B. And angle A is 55 degrees. Side A is 9. And side C is 10. Now to do second triangle, to find C2, so angle C2, you subtract 180 minus C1. So you do angle C1. So 180 minus A. So let's highlight that. So let's click that 180 minus A. So I got that angle C2. So angle C2 equals to around, 114.471 degrees. Angle C2 equals 114.471 degrees. And let's write that into the triangle just to help. 14.471 degrees. And now let's subtract 180 minus 55 minus. Now let's add this as letter D. Let's highlight that. Alpha D. So now 180 minus 55 minus 114.471. The calculator. So now, after subtracted, we get that angle B2 equals 10.29, and let's label that as letter E. So E, and let's highlight that. So angle B2 equals 10.29 10.29. Now for side B2, we can do sine 55 over 9 equals sine E over B. Let's highlight this. So let's cross multiply. So B sine 55 equals 9 sine E. And 9 sine E. So, sorry if that's not a good E. And now let's divide sine 55 both sides because we want to get B along the other side. So let's calculate that. So I calculated it and I realized there's been a mistake. So it's not big of a mistake. It's a small one. Let's control this. So that's been a problem with my calculator that I just noticed. And this is supposed to be 10.529. So that equals E. So let's erase it over here. Let's make it smaller, 10.529 over here. And B2 is also 10.529. So it's not that bad. So that's what angle B2 equals to. And now, to find side B, you do sine E over sine E, so like that, over B equals to sine 55 over 9. So let's calculate that. And I got that B approximately equals to 2.008. I basically did everything in my calculator, but I can show it here out. So I just cross multiplied this and got 9 sine E equals B sine 55. So let's highlight this. And then I divided sine 55 from both sides. Sine 55. Yeah, sine. And I got B approximately equals to 2.008. Now to find area 2. We can use the same formula again, half AB times sine C. So to help me out, A equals 9, B equals, let's see, equals 2.008. But we can save this number as letter F. So F, highlight that. So then F, whoops. And then angle C equals to D. So angle C equals to D. So like that. So half. So half 9 times square F, oops, times sine, and then sine D. So let's calculate that. So area, oh, why do I keep doing that? Okay, sorry. Area, approximately area 2 equals to 8.223. So area 2 equals to 8.223. So this is how you do law of sines, and there's how you find a second triangle. Now let's go to example 4. Now they didn't provide us with a triangle, so we have to make our own. So let's make one over here. So start here and then. So this is angle A, that's angle B, and that's angle C. So the information that's given here, so angle A is 43 degrees. Side B is 15, and side A is 12. So this is angle side side. So two triangles might exist. Remember, there can be three situations out of this. Two triangles might exist, one triangle might exist, or no triangle exists at all. So to find angle, to find angle B, because it looks easier. So sine 43, let's start here. Sine 43 over 12 equals sine B over 15. Now let's cross multiply, and 15 sine 43 equals to 12 sine B. Now if we divide 12 both sides, so let's calculate that. And I got sine B equals to approximately 0.88525 equals sine B, and then you do sine inverse. You cross it out. Oops. And then let's try sine inverse. And I got that B approximately equals to 58.484. So B1 is to 58.484. So let's save that as letter A. So we can write A here. I'll highlight it. So now we know this is 58. 484. Now let's find C1. So we already know the angles of the triangle, and the three angles are supposed to equal to up to 180. So we can do 180. So 180 minus 43 minus A. Can highlight that. And then angle C. Oops. Angle. My God. Angle C can approximately equal to 78.516. C1 can equal to 78.516. So this is 0.516, and oops. Now to find side C over here. So let's save 78.516 as letter B. Highlight that. And now we can do sine 43 over 12. 12 equals sine B over C. So we can cross multiply here and here and get that C sine, that's a C 43 equals to 12 sine B. And then we can highlight that. And now we're supposed to divide, supposed to divide 12 each side. No, sorry, don't do that. Don't divide 12 from each side. Supposed to divide sine 43 from each side. Because we're trying to find what side C is. So sine 43. So C1 equals to 17.243. So over here, 17.243. 3. This is here 17.243. Now we know that to find the area, we do area, it'll be half AB sine C. So we know that A equals to, let's see, let's say equal to 12. So A equals to 12, B equals to 15, and angle C equals to letter B. So it'll be B. So 1/2 times 12, 15 sine B. So I got that. Area equals to approximately 88.198. So 88.198. Now let's draw a line. So here, and then here. So then, this is where the second triangle is. So let's do 180 minus A, which is angle B1. And then we get that it approximately equals to 121.516. So it'll be 121.516. Now let's draw a triangle. Here and here. So this is A, that is B, and this is C. So we already know that angle A is 43 degrees. Side B is 15. A is 12. And recently we just found out that angle B approximately equals to what is it? 121.516. So let's save that as letter D. So D. So angle B1 is 121.516. Now to find angle C, we subtract. So it'll be 180 minus 43 minus letter D. And we get that angle C approximately equals to 15.484. So angle C2 equals to 15.484, and then that 15.484. So we'll save that as letter E. So E. Now to find this side over here, we do sine 43, sine 43 over 12 equals to sine E, this is here, over sine E over C, because that's what we're trying to find. So C sine, so we multiply, cross multiply, so C sine 43 equals to 12 sine E, and then so we divide sine 43 each side, so we can leave C alone. The other side would equal sine, so we know what side C would equal. So C approximately equals to 4.698. So C2 equals to 4.698. Now to find area, we know we have to do half times AB sine C. Now A equals 12. B equals 15. Angle C equals to letter E. So we do half, so half is 12 times 15 times sine E and we get that area, so area would approximately equal to 24.028. So area 2 will go to 24.028. So this is how you do law of sines and law. And so yeah, just law of sines. So next video, I might go over law of cosines, but I'm not completely sure. So bye.